This is a video guide that will help you to get rid of the browser hijacker called searchthatonline.com. Searchthatonline.com is indeed a new browser hijacker that may attack Google Chrome and other browsers. Searchthatonline.com actually tries to change your default search engine settings, so whenever you submit some search queries, you would get the results by this site, searchthatonline.com. These results are not really relevant. On top of that, they may contain a lot of advertisements and sponsored links. Typically, intrusion of this hijacker called searchthatonline happens without the user's intention. A lot of such hijackers work through special unwanted browser extensions. And in many cases, the installers of these hijackers may be bundled with some free applications. To remove any malware that could possibly remain on the system, we recommend that you investigate your device with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on this official website, combocleaner.com. Download the application, install it, and then start researching your system with its help. After you successfully download and install the software, it will be initially in the trial mode. In the trial mode, only quick scan option is available so far. You need to click on Start Scan button, and most likely the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is of course definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware, or other types of computer infections. The scanning duration by Combo Cleaner will take some time, of course. It depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the system is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And at the end of the scanning, you will then see the complete summary of all the threats which were revealed on the computer. Combo Cleaner also is provided with a special anti-ransomware feature which allows you to add one or several folders that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. So you need to wait some time until the scanning has been successfully finalized. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of the threats. You will also be able to know their exact locations on the computer. I recommend that you consider upgrading to premium license as the best solution to keep your computer always clean and free of any other threats.